Welcome. This video will guide you through viewing recordings from your Tesla Model Y's Dashcam and Sentry Mode features. These systems use the car's external cameras to record footage, either manually while driving, Dashcam, or automatically when parked, Sentry Mode. They provide valuable security and evidence in case of incidents. In this video, we'll show you exactly how to access and manage these recordings. One of the easiest ways to view your recordings is through the Tesla app. Navigate to the Security section, where you'll find options for Dashcam clips and Sentry clips. Here, you can browse, download, and share footage directly from your phone. If you have cloud storage enabled, clips detected as potential incidents are automatically uploaded for easy review. Clips are 1080p and 30 FPS. Remember, Tesla provides 10 hours of free cloud storage per month as of January 2026, with a $9.99 subscription for additional storage. Authentication via PIN or biometrics ensures privacy. Sometimes you might encounter common issues like missing clips or difficulties connecting to the cloud when using Dashcam and Sentry Mode in your Model Y. First, ensure your car has a stable internet connection for cloud features to work properly. Double-check that both Dashcam and Sentry Mode are enabled in the Safety and Security menu on your touchscreen. If you're still experiencing problems, try restarting your Tesla by holding the power button for a few seconds. For persistent issues, contact Tesla support through the app or website. Privacy is crucial when using Tesla's recording features like Dashcam and Sentry Mode. Tesla uses PIN authentication and biometric verification to secure access to your recordings. Data encryption, including end-to-end encryption for cloud-stored clips, helps protect your privacy. Be aware of local laws and regulations regarding recording in public spaces to avoid legal issues. Manage your cloud storage settings carefully and be mindful of the data you choose to share. Tesla continuously updates its recording systems with new features and improvements through over-the-air software updates. Expect enhanced AI-driven event detection with improved object recognition, distinguishing between animals and humans to reduce false positives by up to 40% since 2023. This includes real-time analysis for predictive safety, alerting about road hazards. Future updates may bring full 4K resolution, replacing current 1080p offerings for higher quality footage with better detail in daylight and night vision, aiding incident reconstruction. Integration with smart home systems is expected, allowing seamless surveillance where your Model Y connects with third-party smart home devices for a unified security ecosystem. By 2030, AI enhancements could reduce accident claims by 30% through improved evidence collection and predictive safety features that analyze footage in real time. Stay tuned for upcoming software releases to maximize the benefits of your Model Y's Dashcam and Sentry Mode capabilities. However, ongoing privacy concerns may result in more opt-in features.